All right, you guys like to cook rice? Rice and grain cooker. Let's check it out. Let's unbox this bad boy. See what we got. All right, so it's got a bunch of information on top. And you may want to hang on to that. This looks like the cord you got to plug it in with. Let's pop this open. Oh, here we go. Get rid of that. I think it's just one thing. There it is. That's it right there. Slide it over to the side. So let's check it out. You want to save all this in case you need to send it back. I think you press this and this opens it up. Yeah, that's it right there. So this is your opener. Then inside here you've got your thing where you could put like, some fish or something. And then they've got a little measuring cup that comes with it. And, important notice. Yeah, so you want to make sure that you get it in there properly. Comes with looks like a spoon. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, that's a spoon. And this is the interior, which it pulls out just like that. You follow me? And then that goes in there like this, right? And put that over here. Let's go down a little bit so we can see what's going on here. So here is all of you got white rice, keep warm, delay timer, flash rice, positive, negative, start button, slow cook, steam, and brown rice. So yeah, that's how it works. I guess we should probably read up on it a little bit. Make sure we know what the heck we're doing. And let's keep all this stuff in there. Before you use it, you might want to read this. So it kind of tells you how to do it. But that's basically what comes in the box. All right, now all we got to do is cook some rice. That's our next step. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.